Good evening everyone. This is Harpreet as a math teacher. Dear students, I hope you all are good and fine. Dear students, welcome back to the work as a second term syllabus. Today we will start the class 10th maths as a 11th chapter, that is the construction. Topic is division of the line segment. To start this one topic, firstly we will discuss about the how to construct the line parallel to the another one line by using the help of the compass. Okay, so here we are drawing a line and taking a point on the line here. Suppose here is a line and a point I am taking here. I am making any acute angle on the point A such that here I want to draw another from the B point, a line which is parallel to the, suppose it is the X. Okay, so AX parallel to this one. By using the compass, I am firstly we will keep the leg point of the compass on the A point and mark the one angle here. Okay, angle sign, one arc. Same opened arc we will put the mark on the B point also here. Okay, and then next one we will, with the help of the compass, we will measure the angle like, and then same measured angle on the B point also. Then from the B point we will join it and then extend it. So this implies these two lines are parallel to each other. Why? Because these two angles are corresponding angle. So let this is the Y point and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. These are the corresponding angles. So this implies AX is parallel to the BY. This concept is used in the today's topic, that is the division of the line segment. So let us start it now. So here I am taking the one line segment. Suppose I am taking as AB as a 8 centimeter. Okay, and we have to divide it into the 3:2. Okay, so how can we divide it? Let us start by the using the construction. Into this one topic we have to draw the diagram, then we have to write the construction steps also, and then we will justify the diagram also. Okay, so let us start it. Here I am making a line segment of the 8 centimeter. Okay, so here is AB as a line segment. Then we have to divide it into the ratio 3:5. With the help of the scale, I am making an angle as from the A point a acute angle. Okay, so this is the an acute angle. Let that point is X. Then we will divide the AX into the equal parts such that those equal parts are the sum of the given ratio. So sum of the given ratio is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So equal parts are, here will be 5 parts. So we will open the compass as much like as this are convenient. Then we will mark the sum points. So first point is this one. Then here will be the second point, third one, fourth, and this one is fifth. So let us give the name as here will be, suppose here is a point name is A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5, such that we will write here all these points. A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3, then it is equal to A3, A4, and on the last A4, A5. So all these points are equal to each other. Okay, then we will join this point A5 to the B point. A5 is joined to the B, right? And then it is given that 3:2. So first part is 3. So on the 3 number here we will draw a line which is parallel to the A5B, this one line. By using the as concept which we studied here, same concept we will use here also. Okay, so this implies here we have to mark the arc on the point 5, A5. So we are making the arc. Same criteria here on the third part, as here is a first, second and third part. So here on the third part I am making the arc. Okay, now we will measure the angle with the help of the compass. this one as open this one like as this. Okay, so this one same we will mark the arc on this one point also. Okay, then we will join this one line to the on the point A3 and this point is joined, and then we will extend it and then we will join it at on the point AB line segment. So this one point is C. So we can see here AC is a 3 parts and CB is a shorter one than AC. So this is the 2 parts. Okay, so this is the diagram how to divide the line segment into the given ratio 3:2. By using this concept you can see. Now we will see the justification of the question. So let us see here the justification and the construction steps. Construction step is, as AB is a line segment drawn, then with the help of the compass here, scale and pencil, we are drawing the angle BAX, any acute angle. Then AX is divided into the 5 parts equal such that this one, that is the third step of the construction. Okay, with the help of the compass and pencil, we are drawing the A5B parallel to the A3C. These two lines are parallel. Then that point C is divide the AB into the given ratio, that is the 3:2. Okay. Now we can see here, you can see the justification. Let us draw this one same line, this one triangle, as here is A, here one is A5 and this one is B point. On this part here is a A3 point and on this point it is the C part. Okay, so this we will drawing A5 is parallel to the A3. So we will write here as A3C line segment is parallel to the A5B by, we are drawing here by construction, we are drawing like this. Okay, now this one, as if this one is a parallel, then this implies into the triangle this one as A3 this distance is equal to A3 A5. Ratio of this is equal to AC upon CB. Which property we are using? This is the property by using BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem, or we can say this is the Thales theorem also. If any line is parallel to the third one side, then these two parts will be divided into the same ratio. Now this part already we know that A3 upon A3 A5. This part already we have. These are the 3 parts and these are the 2 parts. So this implies this is the 3/2. So we can say here AC upon CB. This is also 3/2. So we can say AC ratio CB is divided into the 3:2. So hence this is justified. Okay students, if you have any query then you can ask into the Zoom session, and this is the part of the division line segment of the chapter number 11th first question. Okay, thank you.